In this case, the suffix is algia. Algia. And for each of these, I have given you the sound spelling. So here is the sound spelling right there. Let me zoom in just a little bit. This tells you how to pronounce the word. So it's, or in this case, the suffix. It's broken into syllables so you can read it a little more easily. This syllable says al, and this syllable says ja. This little symbol right here is called the schwa symbol. And let me spell that for you. Schwa. It looks like an upside down and backwards E. And when you see that, for our purposes, let's pronounce that as an Algia. Algia means pain. And you are able to lift the little flaps. I cannot do that digitally, so I'm just going to put my pieces down below here. So the first word is myalgia. And let me break this for you into syllables. You have my, and this is syllables, not sound spelling. Algia, myalgia. I know that myo means pain. I'm sorry, muscle. I'm getting ahead of myself. Myo is muscle. Algia is pain. So myalgia can be defined as muscle pain. And I know I haven't told you about myo yet. That's coming in the root section. But for now, let's just say that myalgia is muscle pain. So any guesses about arthralgia? Arthralgia. Let's start with syllables. Part of my job is to teach you how to spell and pronounce these words correctly. Every syllable must have a vowel. So arthralgia. Arthralgia. I know that arthro is the combining form for joint. And we know that algia is pain. So knowing those two pieces, I can tell you that arthralgia is joint pain. If you have arthritis, inflammation of the joints, you may have arthralgia. You may have joint pain. So what about this picture? What would you describe this picture? How would you describe this picture? Definitely some algia happening there. You see the red indication, and that pain is in the head. So I happen to know the root for head is ceph. Cephalgia is the medical term for a headache or pain in the head. So if you have migraine headaches, that is a type of cephalgia. The suffix is algia.